this is tumor peppers. That's and that side, that's where the two labs are. So as you can see, this place, most of the students usually chat here, they write their lab reports. So Mulungushi is about nature, the love of nature. So the first lab is for SNAS, we call it School of Natural Sciences. So this is their lab. So this is where scientists are born, doctors are born, even engineers. So this is the lab. When you get inside, there are many labs for natural sciences. And that side, as you can see, there's another building that side. That's for engineering. So that one there is another lab for engineering. So that's the where engineers play from. That lab there, that's for engineers. And this is the front part of the lab. That's how the front part looks. Yeah, so Mulungushi is about nature. As you can see, the two labs. So all this was up school. Now we can go to down school, but there are many buildings that I left for up school. So this is the route as you are going to down school. Yeah, it's just near. So here, this is the stream. Maybe you usually hear it or usually see it. This is the stream as you are going down school. That side there, that's a graduation square. So there, that's the graduation square. That side near the stream. So this is where people graduate. This is where people's dreams come true. Yeah, this building you can see, this is the new conference hall. Or they call it new conference hall. So this is the new conference hall. And I somehow hate it